Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.